Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today kicks off a new series I'm doing. This is the first in the series of 4 videos that I'll be doing that will all be inspired by Disney princesses. Today's flowers are inspired by Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I remember when I was a kid, Beauty and the Beast came out, and I had every song memorized, and to this day I can still quote the movie word for word. I am not kidding you. I decided to do something inspired by Disney because I have a major love for Disney. I don't know if you knew that about me, but I really do. I love everything about it. I love the movies. I love books. I love TV shows all by Disney. My little boy loves Disney. I'll tell you something I enjoy doing. I love planning Disney vacations. So if you ever have any questions about any of the Disney parks, you can ask me and I will tell you everything I know. For these red roses, I'm using some of my new Daniel Smith watercolor paints. I will have all of the colors and supplies I'm using linked down in the description box below if you'd like to check them out. Next, I'm adding in these very pale peach roses, and I'm going to be going over these with my gold paint, so I'm okay with these being really light for now. Now I'm adding in some blueberries to add some texture to the painting. I also wanted to bring in blue because that's the color of dress Belle wears at the beginning of the film. You'll notice that I'm adding things in groups of 3s. I want this to be pretty evenly spaced, and I know that using odd numbers gives the finished painting a nice balanced feel. Next, I'm adding in my leaves and stems to my berries. And I'm just filling in as many leaves as I have space for. I kept these leaves pretty light because I really want the focus to be on my roses. Now I'm adding in some other green leaves, again paying attention to the empty spaces in my piece and where it felt like I needed more. I didn't add these in groups of 3, but instead I added 5 little groupings, so I still stuck with that odd number rule to keep that balanced feel. Next, I'm going in and adding some gold sprigs. It's really hard to see in this picture, but the paints are metallic and they're so beautiful. They add a perfect sheen to your painting. Now I'm going over the top of these outer petals with this lighter gold. I'll go over the middles with a darker gold in just a second. And now I'm just going to add a few little gold details and then I'll be finished. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I'll be doing another floral tutorial next Wednesday, inspired by another Disney princess, so stay tuned. Today was Belle. The other ones are going to be Cinderella, Ariel, and my personal favorite, Rapunzel. Let me know in the comments below which Disney princess is your favorite. And if you tried this tutorial, please post a picture and tag me over on Instagram at Snowberry Design Co. And don't forget to use the hashtag SnowberryTutorial. Thanks again for watching. Bye!